So first you're going to go to www.asc.com, which we are already here on the screen. Then you're going to click here on register. Here it's going to say ASE certification and test registration. You're going to go into my ASE to register, and then you can call Prometrics, which is the test center, to schedule your test. Personally, I do it online. It's much easier. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on sign in. That's going to take us into the sign in sheet. You guys can already see that I already have an account here. So we're going to go ahead and go to create my ASE account. Once you get to this page, you're going to get started with your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and the last four of your social. Then from there, it's going to take you to this next page, and then on this next page, you're going to put all the rest of your information. If you have a middle initial, go ahead and enter that. And then cell phone number, you can go ahead and put that in. If you have a fax number, your street address. What's going to be your street address? You can go ahead and put that. If I can remember how to spell. All right, and then on here you would enter your email address. And you would create a password. So on your password, make sure that you have at least one capital letter, one lowercase letter, at least one number, or one special character. Okay, we can do this one here. We'll hit next. All right, and then here it's going to ask you to go ahead and create your account. You're going to put your gender, male or female. You can do your race, ethnicity, and then you can enter your current employer. And you'll hit go. If your employer is already listed, then you can go ahead and select it, and then that'll add into, okay, and then your education type. Then your education, have you finished high school and all that fun stuff. So you can put that in there, and then you would hit submit. I'm not going to hit submit. I already have an account, and I don't want to create a second one and then create a nightmare when it comes to my ASEs. I don't want to create a mix-up with ASE based off of my name. I don't want them to be, hey, well, you got multiple accounts here. I don't want to create that problem, so I'm not going to hit submit. But let me go ahead and show you guys what the dashboard is going to look like once you log in. So I hope this video helps you guys. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys put in the comments down below. You can always contact us here at the school, or hit us up on social media, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. We're on there as well. So anything you guys need, feel free to reach out to us. And I hope that this information helps you guys, and I hope that we can keep helping you guys as much as we possibly can. And as always, we believe in bettering the automotive industry one technician at a time. This is Oscar again. Hope to see you guys soon in one of the classes, and good luck. Let's get those ASCs and let's all become ASE Master Techs. See you guys on the next one.